The markets took an early morning dive. Income rallying back by day's end. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. On Wednesday, looking at March 12th, 2014. And the market's actually mostly in bullish territory by a fraction. The SPX was at break even, so is the Dow. NASDAQ up 0.4%, with small caps up 0.4%. Both NASDAQ and small caps leading the charge to the upside, with the banks modestly up 0.07%. VIX, though, confirming today's bullish action, down 2.3%. Gold up a big 1.5%. Silver up more than 2%. Not too shabby. Crude oil giving it back, down 1.3%. US dollar down about 0.3%. Utilities index is up 1%. Defensive sector showing some strength. And taking a look here at the S&P 500, we continue in this uptrend. Higher swing highs, higher swing lows. And we're elevated over a lot of these highs, previous highs. And we're certainly above all major simple moving averages and finding support at the rising exponential moving averages. Great to see. If you remember, a few days back, we drew a trend line on the S&P 500 going higher here. And then I took that line, duplicated it, and dropped it at this low. By doing that, we did find a support. We broke lower, 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 almost reaching the rising 20-day moving average. However, buyers came in buying up that weakness. We go higher, 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 closing back above that trend line. That's huge. If I go to a line chart, you'll really see this. So we have resistance here, took this line, shoved it right here. I call that a ghost line. I teach my students ghost line. That's precisely where we're at right now. Doesn't surprise me in the slightest. You need to learn how to draw trend lines. They certainly help you out. Big thing that I'm noticing here is there's this thing called an oscillator. And this centered oscillator, also known as a MACD, is giving us a reading here of a big bearish divergence on this rally. I think we're in store for some turbulence, and I think it's just a matter of time before the markets want to take a breather. If you look here at a weekly chart, we're stalling here. Big bearish divergence, stalling, really not reaching these highs. So if we do this, if we were to end the week right now and we don't make new highs closing out the week, if that happens, we're going to have a tweezer top trend reversal pattern. And boy, will I have a lot to say about that. Gold here, up, up, and away on the weekly chart. On the daily, what's interesting is we showed a lot of weakness. It was in a lot of trouble. However, we rallied back up within the trend lines here. Because of that, it gives me an opportunity to adjust it. If I go to a line chart, you'll see that I'm going to make sure these are right on. So there is our new trend. What's interesting is we have a trend line coming down that we're over now. Now this line coming down is acting as support. Really good for gold. Silver, remember the big bull flag we're talking about? Boom, it cracked that area of resistance and just a smidgen above the 20-day moving average. Gang, silver can get bullish and fast. Look for a buy opportunity soon on silver. Apple, break even, but it closed above a major trend line. This is the crack in the ice that we're looking for Apple. Watch for a lot of upside potential here. So I'm saying Apple is a decisive buy. Amazon, beautiful bull pullback, a gap down, run up. We have a piercing pattern, candlestick reversal pattern. Look for that dude to take off. And before I get into some other stocks, we are teaching technical analysis, free class, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Pick a time that's best for you. Come join us. Listen, first come, first serve. We max out at 500. Hope you can make it in because we have booked out every time so far. So check this out. Nice pullback. Kept on run up on Amazon. Amazon definitely looking. Let me check volume first. I wish I saw some more there. A potential buy on Amazon. It looks like a buy though, technically speaking. Facebook was up more than 1%. Man, Facebook was in a lot of trouble, but it still is. It's building this choppy high base. A lot of resistance above it. Wouldn't touch it. Google up a little bit. Oh, actually a double top trend reversal. Watch out for Google. But today it's saying no way. We're finding support at this trend line coming higher. Unbelievable. So we might have some nice volume too. Google might be a buy. This thing could be turned into a flat bull flag. Unbelievable. Google, be watching that one. LinkedIn, we have a wedge bull flag. Look for a buy opportunity. Microsoft, boom, up nicely. Look at the strength in text, gang. Really nice. We're at a support level. Might be a buy for Netflix, but man, that would be a risk. Twitter, just flat, nothing. Watch for something to happen at some time. Man, what a nightmare. Twitter has been a big disappointment. So let's get out of here. But again, go to the website or check your email. I send everybody an email. There's some emails if you might get them later tonight. We have a bunch of emails going out. So be watching that. You do have an invite in your email. And if you don't have an email, you're watching this from Facebook or YouTube or wherever else, Twitter, go to the website, freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go over here to events or click on events. Pick the date that you want. Get reserved. I can't stress that enough. You got to get a seat if you plan on attending. You only get one email from us. Hope you can make it. Take care. Share us with a friend. We appreciate it.